Hey guys, check out the rigs that went out last week. Starting out with the Silver Tacoma 4th gen. This one has a black Badlander. Passenger side, we have the 42x12 window, side L-track. Interior, it looks like we have some bed stiffeners. Down below, we don't have any add-ons. That's just the 42x12 windows on both sides. And up top, we're looking at ceiling insulation. Driver's side, we have the L-track mounted awning brackets, L-track, and a 42x12 window. Next up, we're looking at this Tundra with a white Rincon. Passenger side, we're looking at the side L-track and 42x12 window. Down below, we're looking at lower lights. Interior Molly full cutout on passenger side. Up top, we have Velcro liner, upper lighting, and ceiling insulation, as well as a max fan. And driver's side, we have the 42x12 window and side L-track. Next up, we have the Sierra with a graphite Rincon. Passenger side, we have the exterior Molly and body-mounted awning brackets. On the tail end here, we have swing-out propane mount and barn doors. This one also has a really cool tailgate step built in. This is definitely convenient for these truck campers. Interior has color-matched half-cutout Molly driver's side, cab side Molly, and that's lower lights and just the interior of the 42x12 window. Up top, we're looking at ceiling insulation, upper lighting, max fan, and a very comfortable 4-inch mattress. Exterior, we have the diesel heater mount connected to the exterior Molly with side L-track and the 3-inch port built in here. And that is the 42x12 window. Our exterior Molly also has built-in Rotopax mounts. Next up, we have this huge F-250 Tremor. This one has a black Rincon. Passenger side, we're looking at the 42x12 window, side L-track, and body-mounted awning brackets. This one also had a very convenient tailgate step, and you definitely need it because this truck is very tall. Driver and passenger have full cutout interior Molly. This has lower lights, upper lights, ceiling insulation, max fan, Velcro for thermal liner. Driver side, we have the 42x12 window and side L-track. This one also had L-track, roof racks, 200 watts of solar up top. Lastly, we have the rig of the week, which is this 2500 HD Z71 Silverado. We're going to be making a dedicated video on YouTube, so go check it out. But thanks for watching. We always appreciate the comments, and we have a lot more videos coming soon.